The fifth new technology that I would like to share with you is Symbaloo. Why Symbaloo? It's an organizational tool for teachers. It keeps all your links and web pages in one place. There's a search engine attached, and it also saves a lot of time. The goals and purpose would be to make managing your websites more user-friendly, and it also allows collaboration with other teachers through Symbaloo. The audience would be primarily for teachers. The ISTE standards that relate to Symbaloo are T3B, which states the teacher should collaborate with students, peers, parents, and community members using digital tools and resources to support student success and innovation. Through this site, you're able to share with other teachers websites that you're using so that they have access to them as well. And T3D, which states the teacher should model and facilitate effective use of current and emerging digital tools to locate, analyze, evaluate, and use information resources to support research and learning. And like I said, through this website, you're able to model and share with your teaching partners or colleagues new websites that you found to support your students' learning. So let's get started. You would need to go to Symbaloo.com. And when you go to Symbaloo, this is the website that you'll be taken to. As a teacher, you can create a free account up here. When you do come to this web page, it's basically based off of different tiles, as you can see, and each website has its own tile. So I'm going to log into my Symbaloo. At my school, each grade level has their own Symbaloo, and we all share the same login and password so that when we do go in, we're able to share the same resources with each other that we find and add to our page. So when you log in, you can create different tabs. So for 4th grade, we have a math resource tab, a literacy resource tab, a science and social studies resource tab, professional, and brain breaks. So what you need to do first is find websites that you want to add to your Symbaloo. So if I were to add a tile to one of my pages, I might go to Math Resources, and I already have some here, such as SumDog, some math games, Fun for the Brain, 10 Frames. This one is Skill Builders. So if I want to add a tile, I would just click on the tile that I want to add. So I would click. It would say Edit Tile. I want to create a new one. Right here, I would add the address of the website that I want to use. Recently, my school, we just got a license for MobyMax, so I might add in mobymax.com as a new tile. It is a website. This is the name that would appear on that tile. So I might type in MobyMax. Show this text. You can choose yes or no. I like to say yes because then it labels it at the bottom of your tile. You can change, let me move this over. You can change the text color. You can change the color of the tile to personalize them. So I might choose orange. You can change the icons that you use. A lot of these icons come from the website itself. So I might choose this icon, and then you can determine what you want to show. Try to get more of the whale in there. Use selection to tile, and then that's what would show up on my tile screen. You can also upload your own image if you wish. So then I would click Save, and it would add that tile on there so that whenever I click on it, it should take me straight to that website, which it did, so that link worked. So if I close out of this and go back, you can add all of these. You can fill it up with as many tiles as you wish. We just started using this a few months ago, that's why we're still adding tiles to it, but I've added some tiles, my teaching partners have added some tiles, so it's a great way for us to collaborate and share websites. Also, there's a search engine in the middle that's easily and readily available. I have made this my home page so that as soon as I click on Google Chrome. Actually, my professional tab is displayed, and it's got my Smart Exchange lessons, my learning plan. It's got other resources that I use on a daily basis, ASOP, our school Skyward Access for grading, our school homepage. We use Member Center for our reading curriculum, my Pinterest account, Teachers Pay Teachers. So this is my homepage, and it has every tile that I might need throughout the day. Math and literacy and science, those are pretty self-explanatory for what we use those for. Brain breaks, these are some websites that we go to for breaks in the classroom or indoor recess, things like that. So again, this is a great resource to use and share with your colleagues. It's something you should definitely check out, and it saves a lot of time. It would make your life a lot simpler. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.